Hi there, this is our MEP Tiger 350 AX. It's a semi-auto and automatic cold saw with the automatic shuttle vice feed, pneumatically powered, so it's pneumatics that shuffle that and take the head up and down. It's really good quality European. It's done a few hours, but it's still in very good working order and ticks over really nicely. Okay, well, I'll take you through things. So the back there looks good. This does have a feed in and out table. There are 1500 segments and there's 3 metres either side, but you could have 6 metres or 5 metres one side and or 1.5. Oh, sorry, no, there are 1500 segments, so yeah, you could have 4.5 one side and a 1500 that side, etc., and mix and match them. Under here is nice and tidy. It's got the clamping system here. You dial up here or line up where you want your length for your automatic cycle, and which I'll show you, and you move this along. So it's nice there. We micro switch, which you have to reset with the safety and bits and pieces. Oh, it's missing a wee handle here, and I see a wee weld here. It's got a bundle clamp as well. The wee weld there next to the bundle clamp looks as though it's got a bit of a crack on it, so that will probably need a wee repair. Looking good there, and yeah, you've got your coolant system and pneumatics under there. Looks tidy. It's got 4 speeds here and also a slow and fast speed up there, giving it 8 speeds effectively. Table swivels nicely. Alright, we'll go and power it up. So I'll turn that main power isolation switch on. These are all pretty much the same. You have to push the pressure switch first and then reset, and then reset again, and then you power it up. Select your speed, so I'll select the fast speed. In the automatic cycle, I'll put it to automatic cycle now. Basically you've got a wee button here which pneumatically opens up the lock, and then I can go and set how my length of cuts. So for instance, I'm going to set that for the automatic cycle at 20 mil. Then I'll go and push clamp. I can index how many times it wants to shuffle, so if I just want to do 20 mil, I'll just set it at 1 stroke. If I want to do, for instance, 40 mil, well obviously I can set it here. I think this goes to about 500, so if I wanted to do 1500 length, then I'd set its index stroke at 3. So this is nice. Pneumatically shuffles back and forward. All the vices automatically clamp pneumatically. So I'll put that down and take you through a semi-auto cycle first. You can dial the speed that the head comes down here. So anyway, I'll take you through that. We'll do a cut. So I've got it in manual cycle, and I've pushed start. I've got it coming down quite quickly, but that's just adjustable on that wee dial. And that's basically, I've pushed start. It's closed this vice, closed the bundle clamp, done its downward, and then gone back up and finished the cycle. So that's a semi-auto cycle. You can set at what height this head is, which is very effective obviously for your auto cut to save time. So I'll take you through to the next cycle, which is the auto cycle. I'll clear that. So I've basically got it to do 2 cuts and stroking twice, even though I've set it at 20 mil, but it'll just show you that function working anyway. And I'll set that to there and start. So the first cut there, there's no material, so I'll quickly get that down. So it's on auto cycle now. So it's done 2, yes, it's done 2, I'll speed that downward, speed up, so it's going to do some cutting now. I haven't got any cutting fluid in it. stroked twice then, and then clamped, and then it's done its cut. Got to the bottom, gone up, unclamped, it's shuttled, and coming down for its next cut. Then it's just telling us cuts over, press reset. So that's its auto cycle. So it's got quite a few programs in there. You set up you know, your number of the program, how many cuts you want to do, and then how many strokes you want to do. And that is pretty much that auto cycle. So really simple and easy to use in the manual operation or semi-manual, and also the auto operation as well. They're very good quality, even though it's done a little bit of work, it's still in good working order, and they do last a long time.